What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Fetch, or should I say ASI, alright, the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. Because yesterday, I think Ajax and Ocean turned into ASI. If you look at ASI right here, it's still a little bit mixed because Fetch, or at least FET, is still the abbreviation, is still the ticker. But you can see right here that Artificial Superintelligence Alliance is now the name on the CoinMarketCap, so it's just a matter of time before it will switch. That's also why the video is still like Fetch price prediction, because we're still in that early phase. But I think yesterday was the day that that Ocean and Ajax turned into ASI. Now I'm not sure if they're already delisted right here. I don't think so. Like, you can still trade it on certain exchanges. I think you will still be able to trade it on Coinbase, for example, but yeah, stay away from Ocean and Ajax for now. We will focus on Fetch, because Fetch will turn into ASI, alright, the token. So, alright, a bit of a recap. The main thing we were looking for with Fetch in the last couple of days, and that's also like Sunday, I covered it last. Yesterday I didn't. I should have. I didn't. But the last time we covered it, I mean, the main thing we were looking for is some sort of a shift, right? I mean, what we've seen with Fetch in the last couple of weeks is what we've done is 2 times already we had a massive rally, a slow sell-off, massive rally, slow sell-off. So what I said is that, all right, or what I said Sunday is that, all right, well, if we are like right here, we actually had some sort of a bottom forming, and then we also had some sort of a bullish breakout here, or a bullish reclaim, I think you should say. So what I said in that video is that, all right, well, if we can actually get some sort of a break above 1.4 or something, I will probably enter, all right? I will probably buy. And that's also what I did. And because what you saw as well, which usually happened every time that Fetch started to rally, you also saw that the momentum kind of flipped. And whereas, first of all, it was just a big sell-off, so positions were being closed, etc. All right, my microphone cut off. But what I was saying is that usually what you see, first of all, in kind of this phase, so when we are dropping down, is that the open interest is continuously dropping down. And then what you want to see is that there's some sort of a shift. So that's what we saw right here. Open interest, so no longer positions are being closed. No, positions are being opened. And we initially had that with a positive CVD. And that's also, I mean, initially when I opened the trade, it was doing relatively well, right? We were gaining some momentum. However, then yesterday that changed. All right, yesterday we got to move up to 1.5, which was good. So you could have made some money with the call, but my TP was at 1.53, so I did not make any money. And then you saw that the open interest still went up, but this time around with a negative CVD. So that means that short positions are being opened, and that's something to be worried about because they're being opened for a reason. And 1.5 was also a strong resistance, and we got a very strong reaction from that. So then, when we were losing momentum, I closed my position, all right, because my position was based on a momentum gain. And every time the momentum switches, it's usually a sign to get out. All right, so yeah, if you, I got out at entry, so no profit, no loss. If you would have been in my signal group, you would have been out there as well. So I think someone in the comments said, I did the opposite of what you said. I don't think so. I mean, we did get a decent pump here. And if you followed my analysis and you followed the reasoning behind it, you would have also gotten out. Because I told you, we need to see that open interest increase. So when it started dropping down, you should have thought, oh, he said it needs to increase. It's decreasing. Bad. Close the position. But all right, no, that caused a bearish breakout right here. Also because, I mean, the news also has a part to play, a bit of a sell the news effect, etc. So now the same thing applies. We've seen a sell-off since yesterday. What we want to see right now is a switch in the open interest. So whereas it's dropping down right now, we want to see it go up. And if it starts to go up, like it did the last time as well, the 30th of June, and we get a bullish breakout, this point of time, the main level to break is 1.37, then I will enter. If that doesn't happen, and you should never expect it to happen, you should expect the current structure to hold. So that's why I think it's most likely that we'll see something like this, a drop into 1.2 and 1.15. But I will be ready when the momentum when the momentum reverses and we get a breakout, then I will buy. Until then, I won't touch it. All right. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.